everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIY, making clothes in a simply but pretty way. Today's video is the second episode of the series, Finding My Perfect Spring Dress. I'm going to share with you how I make a purposely midi dress with a slit at one leg. This dress is an easier version of a purposely smock dress that I made before. It has the girly feeling from the purposely, but it also has a freedom and also a little sexy feeling from the slit at the leg. Personally, I really like this dress because I could wear this in so many different occasions, and I hope you will like it too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss the upcoming episode of this series. And let's jump into this DIY. I used 3 meters of blue linen fabric in the floral printing for this DIY. The elastic band yet, I'm making another fabric hole for the other elastic band at the end of the sleeve. From the end of the sleeve, I draw a straight line at 7 cm. Then I cut a long rectangle with 2 cm width and around 60 cm length to make the fabric hole. I put the long rectangle to the line just drilled before that, then sewing it to sides. At the end of the sleeve, I fold the fabric inside 2 times to hide the cutting and to finish the sleeve. The length of the elastic band is around 26 cm, which is the width between two breasts plus 2 cm. After connecting the top and the bottom of the dress together by the pin, I draw a horizontal line at 2 cm inside the edge line. Then cm, which is the width under the breast. After putting it through the hole, sew two ends of it together, then close the fabric hole. And I finished this DIY. Here's my final result. This dress is not too difficult to make, but the result is just perfect for a spring dress. I hope you like this DIY and try it out. See you in the next episode.